Hey you guys, I'm so glad that you stopped and watched this video. There is some important information that I need to give you if you choose to not wrap your gift in cellophane or shrink wrap, okay? I need to tell you this, okay? I'm going to give you the good and the bad and the ugly, okay? Now, if you choose not to wrap your gifts, you need to use a good glue. Please do not use Dollar Tree glue sticks. No, ma'am. No, sir. Okay? Do not use Dollar Tree glue sticks. Okay, so let me show you what glue sticks to use. These are the best glue sticks that I have found, Gorilla Glue Sticks. This is what you will want to get, all right? Now, the next thing I want to talk about, if you choose to secure your stuffed animal with a tag gun, they come in different sizes. This is the size you want. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? See how small that is? This is what you want to secure your stuffed animals, okay? So I'll leave it in the video what size these are, because I don't know right off the top of my head, okay? So that's another thing. Make sure you secure your stuffed animals as good as possible if you're transporting them in a U-Haul or if you going a long distance. Now, you might be all right if you're not going a long distance and your spot is right by your house or whatever. If you're out selling gift baskets, yeah, very, very important to make sure everything is nice and secure. You also want to put a sign out saying, please do not touch. Because people will come, if your baskets are not in cellophane or in shrink wrap, they'll try to take your gifts apart. I had a lot of issues with that. That's why I posted, please do not touch. And the people that I had working with me, they handled the gifts and showed them the gifts, like if they wanted it to be turned around and stuff. That's the best way I found, so you ain't got to keep, please don't touch, please don't, be careful. You ain't got to do none of that. Okay, you nip it in the bud with just hanging up a sign that says, please do not touch. Because people, especially little kids, they, parents, watch your children. And another thing is, I'm going to keep it real. If you're outside in a tent, this might not be the best option for you. Because when that wind hits, it is going to knock these gifts all over. And it might mess them up. Okay, so if you're doing it indoor, just like what I said in my bloom video, the good, bad, and the ugly, you might want to check that out. The same rules apply. Like, man, when that wind hits, it'll tear your gifts up. Okay, so it's good to be indoors or, in some type of shelter. I use a U-Haul. Yes, I sell outside, but I do use a U-Haul. So I ain't got to worry about rain. I ain't got to worry about the weather, snow, sleet, hail, none of that. The wind, none of that. I am fine. Okay? So I just wanted to throw that out to you. Very, very important if you choose not to wrap your gifts. Now, the positive thing, the number one thing to me, I love the way they look not wrapped. I don't like when they're smushed up and you can't see what's all in it. No, I love the freeness of the gift, should I say. So I just wanted to let you know. And another thing I want to point out to you, if you do not wrap your gifts, please secure, if you're traveling in a U-Haul or something, put them in a box. The boxes are free. So there's no reason why you can't get boxes. All you got to do is go behind a grocery store and grab you some boxes. They're free. Okay. And this is how you should put them inside a box, nice and snug. If there's room, please put some stuffing in here so they don't move around. Especially if y'all know some of you're not the best drivers. So I'm gonna keep it real with you. Make sure your stuff is nice and secure. So when you're driving, they ain't gonna tear all up, because they will. And then you have to go back and fix them. I'm telling you from experience. Okay. And again, watch out for people, because they will, if they're not covered up, like in shrink wrap and stuff, they'll take them apart. They'll try to take them apart for some weird reason. Like they never seen nothing like this before, and they want to figure out, how did you get it like that? They'll take it apart. And you're like, what the crap? Yes, they will try to take your gifts apart. So I just want to throw that out there, give you a warning, and yeah, with that being said, y'all have a blessed one.